Hey guys, if you are search how to use ChatGPT plugins and how to install ChatGPT plugins, it means this video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on AutoGPT tutorials. Are you new to ChatGPT or looking to enhance its capabilities with plugins? Well, you're in the right place. Today's tutorial is dedicated to guiding you through the process of installing, enabling, and using ChatGPT plugins. We're going in depth to ensure even the newest beginners can follow along easily. I've received a ton of queries from you all asking, how do I use ChatGPT plugins? How do I access and install them? So, this video will be your comprehensive guide to answering all these questions and more. As always, if you have any other questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. We're here to help and learn from each other. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video and explore the world of ChatGPT. First, you go to chat.openai.com and create your ChatGPT account. Go to Sign Up tab. Enter your email ID and create now. Another option, connect with your Google account, Microsoft account and Apple ID and create your account. And if you already have an account, go to Login page and log in now with your email. After login, you can see this type of dashboard. And if you don't have a ChatGPT Plus account, so first you subscribe now. Go to your sidebar section and subscribe now. If you have ChatGPT free plan, so first you upgrade your plan, because paid plan compulsory for ChatGPT plugins. After upgrade your plan, you can see this type of dashboard. First, you can see your GPT 3.5 version and next GPT-4. In your GPT-4 version, if you don't see ChatGPT plugins and browsing features, then you go to your sidebar section and open your Setting tab. In your Setting tab, go to Beta Features tab. As a Plus user, enjoy early access to experimental new features, which may change during development. Browse with Bing, enable now. And plugins, enable. And close your tab. And move to your dashboard. And go to your GPT-4 version and you see your browsing with Bing and plugins feature. Select plugins. No plugins enabled, then go to Plugin Store. Plugins are powered by third-party applications that are not controlled by OpenAI. Be sure you trust a plugin before installation. Plugins connect ChatGPT to external apps. If you enable a plugin, ChatGPT may send parts of your conversation and the country or state you're in to the plugin to enhance your conversation. ChatGPT automatically chooses when to use plugins during a conversation, depending on the plugins you've enabled. Read all and OK now. Plugin Store. First, you check all popular plugins. Move to Next for next page. New release plugins. Check all pages for latest release plugins. Next, move to all page for all listed plugins. And ChatGPT latest launch plugin search bar. So you search any plugin in search bar. For example, I search Zapier and you see now. You choose any plugin and click Install tab and install now. For example, I choose Chat with PDF and click Install tab and install now. And after install you can see a new tab installed. So you check all installed plugins in Installed tab. Close your tab and move to your dashboard. You can see your installed plugins. If you use this plugin, then enable now and otherwise move to Plugin Store and choose another one. After enable your plugin, go to Chat section and use now. For example, I use Chat with PDF. So first I choose a PDF file. I choose this PDF file. The ChatGPT cheat sheet, this PDF file freely available. So you check now. I use this PDF file only demo purpose. So I connect my this file URL link with ChatGPT and chat now. So I copy this PDF URL and paste in my ChatGPT tab. And I ask questions related to this PDF file. The PDF document has been successfully loaded. You can now ask questions or request information based on the content of the document. My first question. Tell me something about this. This document appears to be a cheat sheet or guide for using ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It provides examples of various tasks that can be performed using the model, such as text generation, summarization, meta ChatGPT, and more. My next question, explain more about meta ChatGPT. The term meta ChatGPT in the document seems to refer to the concept of asking ChatGPT about its own capabilities. Here's what the document says about it. ChatGPT can structure text output in various ways, including paragraphs, lists, headings and subheadings, sentences, tables, poems and songs, and more. So you see how I use and install Chat with PDF plugins, and if you interested learn more plugins, comment now. And thank you so much for joining us on this journey of exploring the world of ChatGPT plugins. I hope you found this tutorial useful and now feel more confident about using and installing plugins to enhance your AI experience. Remember, the world of AI is expansive, and there's always something new to learn. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different plugins and see what works best for you. If you have any further questions, or if there's anything specific you'd like us to cover in future videos, do let us know in the comments section below. We value your input and are always eager to help. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends who might also benefit from it. And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to AutoGPT tutorials for more insightful content about the latest in ChatGPT and AutoGPT. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.